welcome back to my channel. So we have another unboxing and let's open this up together. And I'll have everything I got linked down below. Alright, we have a lot of items to get through. The first one is this one, and it's a green piece. Let's see. Oh my gosh, yes. This is a green silky dress. And it's really weird in this lighting, but it's more like a Peter Pan, what do you call that? Fairy. Tinkerbell. It's more like a Tinkerbell green color, and it's cinched up on the side, and yeah, it's super cute. The next item I got is a pair of denim jeans, and these are the high-waisted wide pants, and I really love the wash of these jeans. These are very light wash, and what I especially love about these jeans is that they have slits on the bottom, which I feel like if you wear like Air Forces and you walk around in them, you can see the shoes in between the slits, and I think it's a really cool look. The next item I got is a black blazer dress, and it's the double-breasted button type of blazer, and this has shoulder pads, and it has nice collar, and I think it's more like an A-line fit, which is really cool. I think this is going to look really cool with over-the-knee boots, and you just have this like businesswoman vibes. I really love the preppy look. The next item I got is a two-piece set, and it's more like a silky material. I like that the waist is very stretchy and the bottom is very flouncy, and they have these little cute lace details on the bottom. Then to go with that, it has a matching top, which looks really confusing at the moment, but it is a pheasant top. It's cropped, it has an O-ring in the middle. I love pheasant tops like this because it looks super flattering on, and I'm really excited to wear these with like coats over it. The next item I got is a skirt, and I believe this is an A-line skirt with slits on the side. I love A-line skirts because it looks super flattering on, especially if you're tall, and these are just like the typical brown plaid skirt. You just can never go wrong with it. I just realized that they have slits on both sides, which is even better because they're more walkable. And just imagine this with like sweater and over the knee boots. Going off of plaid patterns, I bought a two-piece set. I'll show you the bottom first. This is another plaid skirt with slits on the side, and this is green and brown mix, which is like two of my favorite colors literally combined in one. And this is more like a soft fabric material. Then for the top, it comes with the matching plaid crop top, and ooh, it's so cute. I love the button details. It is double-breasted, and it has a collar neck, which is kind of like a business formal casual vibe. I love it. The colors are so fall, and I'm so excited to wear these. These items I have been waiting for so long, and they're finally back in stock. It is a two-piece set, and this is a beige and white striped shirt, and it's cropped, and the sleeves are quite wide, and this is a loungewear. It comes with matching shorts, which is so cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh, just imagine lounging around in these two-piece sets, and they look so comfortable. The drawstrings are adjustable, and yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna look cute in these. I never actually owned cute loungewear before, so this is something that I've been looking forward to. I can't believe we are already at the last piece, and I'm really sad, but it's this one. This top is more like a slippery material, and this has the wide sleeves and cinched on the bottom. I believe you call this like bell sleeves. And then the patterns are more like paisley pattern slash flower pattern in gray. And basically what you do is that you wear this and you wrap it around your waist. I'll do a try on so you guys can have a better visual of what I'm trying to explain here. And I'm super excited to wear these with just wide pants or just simple skirt, and you have an outfit. Guys, I got more package, so we're gonna open it up. I believe this is a puffer jacket and a skirt that I ordered, so let's see. Okay, so they are missing one item, but I guess I'll show you guys this one. I got a black puffer jacket. So you guys know that the black puffer jackets are, or puffer jackets in general, are back, and they are super trendy for this winter. So I really wanted one, and I was kind of afraid of the quality wouldn't be as good, but y'all, this is thick. It's so nice. So I am normally a small, and I'm so glad I sized up. The arm length is perfect. The overall length is perfect, and wow, just the thickness and everything is literally perfect. And it has a pocket. Wow. Guys, this is so cute. You guys need to buy this puffer jacket. Alright guys, that was it for Soulmia. I hope you guys liked it. Once again, I'll have everything linked down below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more hauls and unboxing. So that is it. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!